Happy Halloween, everyone. I've currently lost my voice from singing in the car too much yesterday on my road trip, but I just wanted to say that you guys have showed me so much love lately, and I am forever grateful for each and every one of you. Today, I've recreated Carolina Maria's zombie tutorial, but gave it my own twist. To start this zombie look, I took some oatmeal and some frosted flakes and began mixing it in a bowl. I then went in with some liquid latex and applied it on half of my face while applying the oatmeal mixture over the latex. I repeated this step twice. You want a nice thick layer of oatmeal to make it look like you have rough skin and it's abnormal. I also feel like my skin kind of looks like Thing from Fantastic Four. After I let the liquid latex dry, I took some cotton and laid it out as a line down my face. This will create the separation from your skin to the abnormal skin, and give the effect of your skin transforming. After I applied the cotton and I let the liquid latex dry, I went in with my current foundation and just applied it over the cotton. Once everything is set and dry, I then took a sharp pair of scissors and began cutting through the cotton. Be careful during this step. You don't want to accidentally cut yourself, so please go slow. These next few steps are a little out of order, but I actually used the red grease paint and painted in the line I made through the scissors. When applying the red, I actually applied it about 3 or 4 times. I really wanted to enhance the pigmentation, and I really wanted to make it look like a deep wound. After I used the red grease paint, I then went in with the green grease paint, and that is where the confusion is with things being out of order, and I promise there aren't any more, but I took the green grease paint and painted over the oatmeal to make my skin color appear more dead. After I took 3 shades of grease paint from Ben Nye and just started having some fun by trying out new things and just painting however I felt. I created some random blobs of purple and red, and I also covered my eye in purple and black grease paint. The reason I covered my waterline and eyeliner first was because I didn't want to ruin or smudge any of the grease paint. You can really cover up your abnormal skin as little or as much as you'd like, because in the end it's just going to be smothered in blood. I then took my Ben Nye Thick Blood and began covering all of my abnormal skin. I love my Ben Nye product so much. This product makes it look like half of my face has been eaten, and the contact makes it look like I'm turning into a zombie. After I was satisfied with the amount of thick blood I applied, I took Ben Nye's scab blood and created large chunks around my face. For the other half of my face, I wanted to give the appearance that my normal skin is starting to turn into a zombie, and that is why it is bruising and turning green. I was honestly just having fun with the grease paint at this point, and I really wanted to test out my skills by creating bruises all over my face. To finish off this spooky look, I applied Stage Blood by Ben Nye all over my abnormal skin, my neck, and a little bit on my bruising on my normal skin. Thank you all so much for watching, and please have a safe and happy Halloween.